We know you're the proud owner of a 99 or newer Ford SuperDuty, and now you're the proud owner of a DualLiner. We're going to go through the installation step by step. The only tools you need are a T30 Torx head bit and a 10mm wrench. We have a little cordless impact to do the job faster. The only prep work you need to do in the bed is use your 10mm wrench to remove the tie downs in all four corners. When you go to install the load guard, it's easiest to put a hand behind it in the middle and flex the side in until she snaps in place. The 6.5-foot bed and the 8-foot bed are slightly different. The 6.5-footer has a single-piece sidewall. You'll install it obviously as one section. The 8-footer is a two-piece. You'll put the front section in first and then install the rear. Everything else goes exactly the same between the two. Be sure to go ahead and put the tie down in loosely right away. There's two tips for installing at the back corner. One is make sure you tuck this edge under the bed rail. The second tip is when you install the tie down from the factory, it's installed this way. If you turn it this way, it works a whole lot better. The second side installs just the same as the first. Front section for the 8-footer, full side for the 6.5. Step 3 is to roll out the ZeroSkid floor. Here's the patented dual technology. The ZeroSkid floor interlocks with the hard custom fitted sidewalls in this channel. The floor is a full 3/8 inch thick, and the nubs allow moisture to leave the bed quickly and air to keep it completely dry. Step 4 is to install the tailgate panel. Here's where you need that T30 Torx head bit. You're going to remove 6 out of the 8 screws in the tailgate, leaving the lower middle ones here and here. Be sure when you go to reinstall the factory hardware, you put a spacer on each screw. And be sure to use a hand tool because the factory holes are very easy to strip out. If you notice a few waves in the ZeroSkid floor, don't worry, they'll relax in a couple of days of sunshine. It's from being rolled tightly for shipping. And that's it. Now you have the only real truck bed protection system. Be sure you jump out to the website, DualLiner.com, and fill in your warranty registration form. The real lifetime warranty is there for your protection. Hey, now that you've seen how great DualLiner is, share this video with a friend so they can own the only bed liner that works.